Our founding father, Mr. Jamshedji Tata, and his steadfast goal of employee welfare led to the inception of Tata Main Hospital in 1908. The hospital and its 8 clinics provide curative healthcare services to the citizens of Jamshedpur and peripheral areas. The hospital includes over 3,500 high-quality professionals and sophisticated high-end equipment to provide extraordinary healthcare that is aligned to the vision of our founders. The specialty and super specialty departments have the most skilled surgeons and specialists who work in a coordinated manner to improve patient outcome. We are a customer-centric hospital and our patients are our priority. Our activities and initiatives are aimed at enhancing customer value and experience. We deploy innovative and futuristic strategies to improve quality and increase efficiency. Emergency department being the face of the hospital and the critical care services being the backbone of acute care function round the clock with its state-of-the-art technology, infrastructure and dedicated and qualified team of doctors, nurses and ancillary support staff providing the highest level of care to the patients of Jamshedpur and around. The patient slots for OPD have been enhanced to meet the expectations of our clientele. From April 2023, TMH has started offering eye surgeries to its patients. The ophthalmology department is equipped with modern technology to enable advanced diagnostic modalities and diverse surgical interventions ranging from minor procedures to complex cataract surgeries. The dental department has digitalized the intraoral and extraoral radiography in alignment with the sustainability goals of our organization. The intraoral scanner was introduced for the first time in Jamshedpur along with fixed dental prosthesis or implants. Tooth-colored prosthesis is also available. We have state-of-the-art CBCT equipment with largest field of view in Jharkhand. The renal transplant program was restarted with the successful conduct of a kidney transplant in May 2023. The Diabetic Care Center has been introduced with a highly skilled endocrinologist to provide super specialized services and lower the risks of complications arising due to diabetes. Flow managers were introduced to enhance patient experience through customer centricity. Seamless access to OPD, diagnostics and pharmacy for 75+ senior citizens reaffirm our dedication to compassionate healthcare. Seats at the College of Nursing have been increased from 40 to 60 for BSc nursing students and 10 MSc nursing seats have been introduced. The 4th batch of medical students have joined the Manipal Tata Medical College in September 2023. Significant augmentation of infrastructure is planned with new hospitals buildings coming up at West Bokaro, Noamundi, Joda and Mera Mandali with increase in medical facilities. The digital transformation journey through the newly introduced Smart Healthcare Services ensures advanced analytics for efficient functioning of the hospital. TMH is accredited to the latest 5th edition of NABH which focuses on patient safety and healthcare quality based upon the international and national standards through a process of self and external evaluations. The hospital will continue to evolve to cater to the expectations of the community and scientific developments and innovation in the field of medicine.